Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can block LinkedIn in your browser. Let's get started. For this tutorial, we'll use a privacy-friendly website blocker browser extension. First, let's open the extension website and install it. The extension is available for Chrome, Edge, Firefox, and even Firefox for Android. Once the extension is installed, let's pin it from the extensions menu so we can access it easily later. Now we want to block LinkedIn. As you can see, LinkedIn opens normally right now because we haven't configured our website blocker yet. Let's open the extension by clicking the Block Website button. Now we can create our first block list. First, enter a suitable name for the block list. Next, add the websites you want to block. In this example, we'll add LinkedIn.com. You can also add multiple websites here or create different block lists to organize websites more efficiently. One thing I really like about this extension is its privacy-focused design. Unlike many website blockers that request access to all websites in your browser, this extension only asks for permission to the specific websites you choose to block. That means better privacy and better control. Now, as you can see, LinkedIn.com is successfully blocked. But there's one more thing to keep in mind. LinkedIn also uses region-specific domains. For example, some users may access LinkedIn using domains like gb.linkedin.com. As you can see, that regional version is still accessible right now. So, if you also want to block region-specific LinkedIn websites, we can easily configure that in our block list. Let's add gb.linkedin.com to the blocked websites list. And there we go. Now the regional LinkedIn website is blocked as well. This makes it much easier to stay focused and avoid distractions while browsing. I hope this video helped you learn how to block LinkedIn in your browser in a more privacy-friendly way. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your colleagues or friends. Thanks for watching.